Watch this video till the end and I'll show you how you can withdraw cryptocurrencies from Binance into a hardware wallet. Hey friends, my name is Esan and as I mentioned in this video, I'll be showing you exactly step by step how you can transfer your cryptocurrencies from Binance into a hardware wallet. So in today's video, I'm going to use the SecuX V20 hardware wallet. I have a complete video describing the features and the price for this hardware wallet. So if you want to have a look, you can look at it here. But before I continue, I would really appreciate if you hit the like button. It only takes a second and helps me out a lot. The process of transferring crypto from Binance into a hardware wallet is pretty simple, but it can vary depending on the hardware wallet that you have. So in my case, I'm going to show you how you can transfer from Binance into this hardware wallet. You can get this hardware wallet for 20% off if you use the discount code SN20. I'll put a link below the like button. So the first step would be to connect your hardware wallet with your computer and then go to wallet.secux.com. Here you'll be given a prompt to connect your wallet with the USB connection. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to select my hardware wallet, click connect. Once you've connected your hardware wallet with your computer, you need to click on the appropriate cryptocurrency that you want to transfer. So if you want to transfer Bitcoin, just click on Bitcoin, but I don't have any Bitcoin in Binance. So I'm going to show you how to transfer XRP into a hardware wallet. Click on Ripple or XRP. Create an account if you already don't have one, but I have one already. So I'm going to click it here and I'm going to click on receive. Once you click receive, you'll get this wallet address on your desktop and on your hardware wallet as well. Click on yes to confirm that this is the correct address. The next step would be to open the Binance app on your mobile phone or on your desktop. Here I'm going to open on my mobile phone. Scroll to XRP in Binance, click on XRP and then click on withdraw. Here you're going to get three options of address, network and amount. The address is where you're going to put in your hardware wallet information. You can either put it manually or you can click on the camera option to scan the QR code. So I'm going to use the camera to scan the QR code. Once you scan the address, you can put in the amount that you want to transfer. So I'm going to transfer the maximum amount that I have on Binance. I have 20.4 XRP. In the bottom, you can also see that there is a network fee of 0.25 XRP. That's okay, I have the amount. Then I'm going to click on withdraw. Make sure that if your hardware wallet requires a Memo address, you put in the Memo, but I do not require it for my hardware wallet. So I'm going to just click on submit and click confirm. If you have two-factor authentication activated, fill out that option and then click on submit. Now you'll get a prompt of the request is being processed and it will be fulfilled within 30 minutes. Once your transfer is processed by Binance, now you will be able to see your cryptocurrency in your hardware wallet. And in my case, I have received my XRP into my hardware wallet, as you can see here. Click here if you are looking for an alternative to Binance where you can use PayPal to deposit funds. And here if you want to know how you can retire early. Thank you very much for watching and bleib gesund.